Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Kasa smart energy monitoring devices after reset step by step clearly. First, ensure that your Kasa smart energy monitoring device is properly reset. To reset the device, locate the reset button on the unit. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. Wait for the device's LED light to flash rapidly, indicating it is in reset mode. Once reset, open the Kasa app on your smartphone. Make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. In the app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Smart Plug or the specific device type you are setting up. Confirm that the device is powered on. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the device in pairing mode. You may need to connect to the device's temporary Wi-Fi network during this process. Enter your home Wi-Fi details when prompted. Ensure that you enter the correct network password. The app will now attempt to connect to your device. Wait a moment for the connection to establish. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message in the app. You can now rename the device to something more recognizable. Adjust any settings as desired in the app interface. Test the device by toggling it on and off through the app. Make sure it responds appropriately to your commands. Finally, check the energy monitoring features to ensure they are functioning correctly. Your Kasa smart energy monitoring device is now successfully transferred and set up for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.